Hi everybody, today I want to show you my DSS Support Tool. It's a local desktop app I built for Star Citizen. The idea is simple. Instead of bouncing between all kinds of spreadsheets, websites, etc., I've combined everything into one neat, compacted space. Right now it's built around some practical things like crafting, trading, resources, and it will be extended later on the more time I can put into this. The resource section is organized by extraction loop first. So let me show this: resources. Then you get harvesting, mining, salvage, and trading. Salvage I do not have fully in there, but mining is one of the biggest things for 4.7 right now. So for example, you've got here aluminum. You click on aluminum. It shows you what rarity it is, type, matches, density, everything you need for that. It also tells you to look for this signature 4285 for aluminum to find stuff, and here are the ships you can use to mine. Minimal required, it says, is the MISC prospector. If you click on it, you can see that the prospector from Starcraft works. You have some optional gadgets. This is when you look in the space, and this is when you look at the planet. You can see that you can use it here also for Hurston mining, Magda, Aberdeen, Ita. It shows you what the chances are for getting those ores. And some recommended features: use a helix mining laser, use a Riga C3 model, Focus 3 model, carry search, wave shift, Bormax, and Alchemist. These are the things you can use. These you can find quite easily. These are conditional if you use the helix lasers and etc. Now, well, you cannot find FPS and rock nodes, etc. This is what it's basically created for. We also have, and we go back, we also have our crafting. Crafting is a little bit different. It shows you the things you can craft. At this point we have armor, weapons, and ammo. We click, for example, on ammo, pistol, Coda. Now, those special things don't have really a blueprint recipe yet. I think, yes, it is. So here you can see which missions you have to do to get those those blueprints, where you can find the resources needed for that. Again, also here you get your MISC prospectors, open mining setups, stuff like that. So you can see this is minimal, and if we go on back, you also have here the optimal upgrade required, and you see here again what you need to do to find the optimal amount of to mine optimal with your prospector, and so on and so on. So we've got here for weapons, but also armor, combats, let's say EVS, blueprint source known, so you can see we know where the blueprints are. Bad at goodbyes, data transfer. The unknown, I still need to solve how I can get that, but it will be, I think, somewhere around version 0.3. And we are going to, again, you can look for Orgamol, upgrades recommended, Focus 3 model, Riga C3. Again, it's just a small tool to help you navigate the resources and crafting. We also have a trading calculator tool. Again, just like popular ships, you can look for example, the hull A. Available, your budget, calculate routes, and it shows you the routes you can take for earning some money. And that's basically it. And if you like stuff about that, I will show you the download link in the text below. And well, thank you for watching. Sony meeting.